Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video. And in this video I'm going to show you guys how to fix Duolingo's new AI tutorial for free. If the AI tutorial isn't showing or isn't working, here's how to unlock it without paying. First, update the Duolingo app to the latest version in the App Store. The AI features only work on the newest builds. Next, open Duolingo app and then tap on your profile, then go to settings, and then what you're gonna do is scroll down and look for Practice Hub or AI features and toggle them on if available. If it still does not appear, log out, close the app, and then go back in. If this refreshes new features. Safety tip: Duolingo's AI tutor is free in testing, but be careful, never give out personal info while chatting with it's only for language practice. Quick fix: if you can't find it, change your app language to English and set your region to United States in the settings. That's it. This is how you guys can fix your Duolingo's new AI tutorial feature for free. And I hope this video helped you guys on doing that. If you did, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this, and consider subscribing. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in